Buboy.
okay.
Baka balik ako mamaya.
Okay, Ate Apple. Thank you din. Gigi. Bye-bye,
Thank you.
guys.
Hanggang kailan kayo magsi-stream?
Hanggang ngayon, I don't know. Hindi ko pa alam. Saglit na, baka 2 games pa,
Okay.
maybe.
Okay. Sige. Nemo, Nemo, do you want to join them if you want? If you're still gonna play with them. But I'll leave the party. Gusto ko sana hindi pa eh.
No problem, no problem.
Sa uulitin. Thank you.
Okay, Ate Apple. Gigi, thank you.
GG's, thank you.
I'm so shy. Okay, let's go and rate it again. We have to change the servers, right? Bahrain? I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue, blue sky and it all that I can see. Okay na. Alin? Okay na.
What server would you like to play?
The one that you can
Also,
play. I'm so shy. Guys, nahiya ako because of my English speaking is not Englishing very well. But anyways. Yung snap. Okay, Luis, thank
honestly, I
you.
could play like any server.
Sure? Okay, let's go. Yesterday you told me about the blue, blue sky and it all that I can see. The number you are dialing is out of servicing. Please try again mamaya or yesterday. Please send something
yesterday.
to eat. Sinasendan ko ng audio. Sinasendan ko ng audio si Luigi. Wow.
Me estoy.
Gusto mo pa ba, Luigi? Marami akong audio.
Ojo? Ay, Luis, nakita mo ba yung kadate ni Wilming?
The tomorrow
Luis?
is the morning. Tomorrow will
Luis,
be
nakita mo ba yung kadate ni Wilming?
to the morning late.
Nako, di mo
anong
kasi
date?
tinignan yung story niya nung March 31 eh.
Happy Peel. Sana all.
Di mo nakita tuloy yung kadate niya.
Kita naman ata.
Yung kadate niya eh yung... Ay, basta kilala mo na kung nainis lang ako. Di ba nakakainis?
Ang cute kaya. Dinalan ako ng...
Cute? Manimong cute.
Sorry naman. Sorry.
Mapurok. Mapurok.
Hindi ako marupok.
I think it's both.
Ayoko
Pagpasaya dun si
mag-sage.
Wilming. Sorry. Hindi na susuportahan.
Walang sa Monibel.
Aria?
Kung kailan ako masaya. Huh?
Sa'yo. Managinip ka nga.
Ang samo ni Belle, guys.
Masaya din ako.
Dinalhan ako ng Manolita at ng sunflower. Ito, hindi kita. Pero
Nakita ko.
andun.
Kakakita ko lang.
Ay!
Kakakita ko lang.
Hello?
Sana all.
Gaga. Hindi ko alam. Siya na pala yun. Nag-work ako kaninang umaga. Tapos, may tumimbre. Sabi ko, Natalia, may titimbre daw kasi kasi akala ko si Maymay sa akin, nagpa-deliver sa akin ng something.
Nakita ko nga yung story ni May eh.
Huh? Ba't story ni May?
Nakita ko nag-story siya ng
The number?
Ako
Ayan.
yung... Ay! The number you dial. So, yun nga. Yun lang. Akala ko kung ano na.
Pero yun nga, binigyan siya ng sunflower song.
Nabinigyan ako ng flower! You know,
Ito, pandesal.
love. Oo, pandesal.
Yan itong sunflower na nakikita ko sa harap ko.
Nasaan?
Ito tinitingnan ko. Sunflower.
Saan may sunflower?
Nasa
Sa list.